Hi everyone. If you've ever wanted to make your centre console light up with multicolours for £15, about $22, with these parts, we're going to make it work. And I'm going to look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Hello, I'm over here.
It's new. It's improved. It's a Mal modification.
Hi everyone, if it's your first time, nice to have you join us. We get to add many things to our car and have a lot of fun. And this one is quite a simple thing to do for everyone, I think. So we're going to guide you through it and we're going to get on with it. And there's one thing that it has that's a problem, and I've rectified that by getting, let me get it for you, one of these from Amazon or one of these. I haven't decided which one I'm going to use yet. I might use this one because the problem I've had is my little Alexa, which she's gone disappeared now. This is my little Alexa has to come out. Yes, I know, Alexa in the car. Yes, it's this unit here, and we're going to do a feature on this at one time so that you can make your car talk to you. Great. But right, the problem is in here when you plug it in, which is what they give you, goes into the cigarette lighter there. It's very close on this, which keeps it on all the time, which means you can't turn it off. Now this is only a temporary thing for me because I'm going to try and work it so that it goes into the actual ambient lighting, so basically you can have it on, work with the app and that. Or I might put a switch in here to actually control it. It looks like the best option, so I will do a switch. But for everybody else who hasn't got that ability, I'm going to show you how to fit this thing up using, I think, this, because this will give you the flexibility of plugging in, having the control of this, laying flat and then plugging it in. So let's show you how that's going to fit inside. So you can plug this in here. You've got flexible bits, so you can put that inside the cubby hole. And I've got more charge ports there. I've got two USBs there. I've got one over there. So that's good. And I can probably put my little Alexa inside it, like so. Let's have a look at this. How does it work? Mal? Easy. So this thing, you think they give you this and you think this is LED and this is some sort of lighting. It isn't. It's a hollow tube, and the hollow tube sends out from an optical plug into the point, and then it makes it blue, which if we open it up here, open up so it can go right to the LED, and it slides right in there, and then this will light up a nice blue. You can just about see the lens of it here. So that's how it works. So you don't have to worry about this breaking or bending or anything happening to it. It's not going to be a problem. They give you a splodger, which is a tool, a flexible tool to get in between the trim, and it just fits in the trim. So very simple, looks very easy. I'm going to obviously make it more sophisticated and run it in, but for you temporarily, I'm happy to show you so that you can all put these in your cars. With the tool, the splodger, you push it down in between, as you see, look, and it separates it out. It's very simple. You just follow the line of the wire right through, and then it's in, and we're there, look, and just put the lid back on, and everything's in. It fits nice, it doesn't catch, and close it up and done. How easy is that? Very easy. And that was ready for tonight when we get to look at it. So that was very easy to get those in, as you saw. This, doesn't matter which one you plug these in, there's no problem. They're all LEDs inside there giving out the coloured light, and we're going to connect them to either one, which is most convenient. This third wire is to do the dashboard. That is quite complex, so at the moment I'm not doing that, but we're not saying we're never going to do it, but at the moment I'm just trying to make it easy for you just to do the normal. And for £15, $2, it's a very easy little fix for you to make it nice and pimp your ride. It's in now, in place. I'm going to show you later tonight when it's dark how it all works, so that you can see the view and the angles of it, because obviously in the daylight you don't notice it's on, and that's it. And so looking forward to running tests on it shortly. Right, so here it is. We can turn this round, we can lower it the hue, we can turn it off like so, we can put it on, and we have different colours here. So we've got the primary colours, so yellow, blue, red, green, darker blue, white, and then you can different shades, and then we can have different colours in here. It fits okay in here. This fits perfectly, so you can slide it in. These fit in very easily, they just push in and then just screw tight. Nothing to worry about there. That fits in nice, so you've got full use of this. It closes and it's nice. Well, it is brilliant. So it works very well. I'll put a link in the description for the actual adapter I used, so that you can still use your little shelf to put your storage box in, because without that little adapter you can't use it, and I'll link that for you. It's all from Amazon, and in all it's very good. It doesn't do any damage to the car, so you can take it off. It doesn't cause any problems with the app, and you've got such versatility. You can change to many different colors, and you can actually change different routines. There's probably about 100 routines you can do with it, and even more, there's more to it. You can use sound to light, so it picks the microphone of your phone and it gets you effective, so you can have it flash into music, and you can also, they give you their own music that you can play towards it as well. So there is many things, all for $22. It's a no-brainer, and because it's so easy, it was not going to be a problem that breaks Tesla's warranty, because all you're doing is plugging it into a cigarette lighter accessory that's in that area. But obviously, as I said to you before, the problem you faced is it's too long and it catches, whereas the adapter I'm going to show you fits in very tight, and you can use two of them, so that would be perfect. And I will be adding it permanently into the car. I don't personally, for me, I like to use the area with no wires in there, because there is a whole area, which you can see here, of all the cables, which is fine because it's an unused area, but I use it for other storage, and you know, it would be better. So I'm going to put it in that location I said, and that'll be brilliant, and stand by for that. Anyway, until the next one, take care. Whatever you're doing today, enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you've subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Quack, quack. Oops.